family fun night, and we're gonna have some game night. I'm gonna show you how to make a few homemade games and then talk about what the library has for you. So our first one up is our giant Kerplunk game, which obviously is a homemade version of the small marble game. It is made with just some basic chicken wire, an old end table or coffee table that we cut a hole in, a clothes basket from the Dollar Tree, an old Lazy Susan, a kiddie pool, and these really cool marshmallow sticks that you can now get from the dollar store. I've actually seen them, and some ball pit balls. If you're lucky enough, you can find these at a garage sale. If not, you can get them online for anywhere between $10 and $15 a bag, which will do you just great. But maybe if you're lucky enough, you can find them hanging around at your local garage sale. But it works just like the good old school Kerplunk. You carefully pull out the sticks, and as people take turns, it comes out in the clothes basket, and you can turn it around just like the other game to decide who gets what balls. And of course, the best part is when the whole thing just goes Kerplunk in a mad dash. So if you're in need of a good party game or an outdoor fun activity, this is definitely it. I originally made this with kids in mind, but the majority of use that it's gotten at my house has been adults. So it's fun for all ages. So if the Kerplunk game is a little more than you're ready to take on, and there are instructions on Pinterest, just Google it if you need some actual instructions. This might be a little more your style, and this is very versatile. Again, fun for all ages. I've just taken some laundry jugs, taken out the center little pieces of them, and converted them into fish. And evidently he thinks they're catfish. So we've taken and used caps and kind of tossed the caps into them. The dollar store has some fun little frogs that you can flip their little tails and try and get them in. Or we have these lovely water squirters that I also got from the dollar store. And you can use them to try and, almost like carnival style game, try and feed the fish. And this is a nice activity on a hot day if you need a little water action but can't get to the pool or the beach. You can have some fun in your own backyard, and you're recycling. How fun is that? Don't forget, the library can actually be a source of your fun in games. We have actual board games like this one that you usually check out. We also have decks of cards with instructions so you can learn a new card game. We have packets of over a dozen different card games. Or we have books, of course, where you can make your own game or learn new games. So organize a game night, gather your family and friends, and have fun. We'll see you Monday for the Monday menu. Have a great weekend. We'll see you real soon.